Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make a bitter gourd curry. It's a Pavaikai Kolumbu. Let's see what you need. You need about 300 grams of bitter gourd or pavakai. You can use any version of pavakai. This is the version I got it today. For tempering, you need a mustard seed or a dove, cumin seed, asafoetida, turmeric, dry chili, and curry leaves. For seasoning, you need a salt, jaggeries. For dry and grinding masala, you need a 2 tablespoons coriander seed, half tablespoon sesame seed, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seed, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, few dry chilies, little bit tamarind, 1 tablespoon chana dal, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons fresh coconut. Guys, if you find it difficult to grind this masala, you have alternative. Or you can add 3 tablespoons sambar powder. It's pretty much all brand have contained the same ingredient as the masalas. For the saute, you need 1 onion, garlic, tomato, and about 3 tablespoons sesame oil and chopped coriander leaves. Now I'm going to show you guys how to slice the bitter gourd. Remove both and side. You should slice about 1/4 inch or about 2 centimeters. Now we need to remove the middle seeds and keep it clean because we're not able to eat the hard seed. Once you've finished, cut all the bitter gourd, add about 2 tablespoons salt and marinate about 10 minutes. Before you cook, you need to wash with the cold water. In the kadai, add few drops oil to roast all the masala. Add chana dal, dry chilies, tamarind, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, sesame seeds, fenugreek seeds, pepper, coconut. Roasted about 2 to 3 minutes to nice golden brown. Once it's cool, grind the masala with a cup of water to fine paste. Wash the sliced bitter gourd with the cold water and drain all the water. In the kadai, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons gingery oil. Add the tempering, mustard seed, urad dal, turmeric, dry chili, curry leaf and asafoetida. Once tempering start popping up, add chopped onion and chopped garlic. About 2 minutes. Now add salt and tomatoes. Please watch your salt because in the bitter gourd we already marinate with the salt. Again, saute nicely until tomato getting soft. Now add sliced bitter gourd. Saute 2 to 3 minutes. Place the lid on and keep cooking. Keep checking and stirring. Now add the grind masala and a cup of water and mix it. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes with the lid on. Keep checking bitter gourd and keep stirring. Now add a piece of jaggery. It's help to prevent the bitterness. To make sure your bitter gourd is ready, the bitter gourd should be tender and soft, and then the gravy, the oil should be on the top. Now add chopped coriander. Now the bitter gourd ready for serve. Let's give a try this delicious bitter gourd curry. I have rice and some chips today. The bitter gourd curry is delicious by itself. You no need to have a different sides for this dish. Now let's give a try. How is taste? It's a slightly spicy, sour, a little bit sweet. Guys, the bitter gourd curry honestly is not even bitter. Guys, please try this recipe and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.